In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add icons in Whimsical. This process is straightforward and will allow you to enhance your diagrams and visual boards with a touch of creativity and clarity. First things first, you need to head over to the Whimsical website. If you haven't already, navigate to the login page. For those who use Whimsical regularly, you'll know that logging in is usually a breeze, especially if you're using Google credentials. Simply click on Log in with Google, and this will take you to the familiar Google Account Chooser page. Once there, select the Google account you wish to use. This step is crucial because it ensures you're accessing the correct workspace and all your personalized settings are in place. After you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on Whimsical's main dashboard. This is where all the fun begins. On the left side of the interface, there's an icon button composed of 9 small dots. Click on this to access the icons panel. Now, what's great about Whimsical is the organization of their icon library. It's designed to make your work more intuitive and fluid. Here you'll be able to see various categories of icons neatly organized. Take a moment to explore these categories as they cover a broad range of subjects that can cater to different projects and professional needs. Once you've familiarized yourself with the categories, select the one that best fits the context of your project. Picking the right category will save you time, and it'll help in ensuring that the icons are relevant and add value to your visual board. After choosing the category, browse through the selection of icons available. Whimsical has a rich library, so don't rush. Explore the options until you find the perfect icon that complements your diagram or presentation. When you've found an icon that resonates with your project, the next step is to place it onto your workspace. Click on the icon and you'll notice it highlighted or selected. Now hover over your workspace, the area where you create your visual content or mind maps. Click on the exact spot where you want the icon to appear. This step is both exciting and crucial because the right placement can enhance the visual structure and clarity of your presentation. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added an icon to your workspace within Whimsical. Icons can greatly improve the visual appeal and functionality of your projects, helping convey ideas more clearly and effectively. As you continue to work